Angelino's a coffee machine descaler. Just give you a little coffee hack here. If you especially use one of those little Keurig machines, one of the things that you may have noticed over time is that oftentimes they brew less and less and less over time, and the coffee has a little bit of a weird taste to it. This can also happen in your regular drip brewing machines as well. What's actually happening is your heating element, as it is heating that water, actually can start having mineral buildup on it. There's nothing inherently dangerous about that, except for the fact that it doesn't heat your coffee as well, and oftentimes in those smaller machines means the Keurig is producing less coffee over time, and it can eventually clog your machine and ruin it. That's where this comes in. This is a pretty easy, straightforward process where you pour half the bottle into the tank, dilute it with water, run it on the descaling setting of your machine, run it through there a couple times to help dissolve and loosen up mineral buildups, especially like lime and things. This is odorless and non-toxic, so you don't have to worry about it smelling weird or tasting weird afterwards. What it actually is, I'll just tell you, it is food-grade citric acid. That's all it is. And so it just needs to be diluted. It interacts with those minerals and starts breaking them down. And so this is a great option, again, for your little single pod machines, but I also like to use this in my big drip machine. I say big, my countertop drip machine as well, because they need that sometimes too. And the secret to this, plain and simple, ongoing maintenance. Don't wait till your coffee machine is suffering. Every 3 months, use half a bottle. You need 2 bottles a year. It's not that big a deal. Just set a calendar reminder, something like that. It's going to make your coffee taste better, brew better, be hotter. Overall, it's a great little maintenance item. Check it out. This is by Angelino's. It's their coffee machine descaler.